How to check voicemail using your Deskphone. When you receive a voicemail, a notification will appear on your phone showing you have a new voicemail. To check the voicemail, either press Connect or press the envelope button on your phone.
Please enter your mailbox number, then press pound.
Enter your mailbox number and follow the prompts.
You have 1 new message. To hear new messages, press 1. To hear your message, 1.
This is a text message.
Once the new message has played, you will receive information about when the call was received, followed by additional prompts regarding that message. Once you've completed listening to your messages, you will be automatically routed back to the main menu.
To save, press 1. To replay, press 2. To forward, press 3. To delete, press 7. To return to the main menu, press 0. Deleted. Mailbox is empty. To hear new messages, press 1. To hear your saved messages, press 2. To change your settings, press 5.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about our services, give us a call or visit us online at VorTechCS.com.